Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Sunny, and in this video we will be talking about the problem simplify path, and it is the medium problem of the daily LeetCode challenge and its index is 7.1. Okay, so before moving on to discuss this problem, let me talk about what type of concept that is being required to solve this problem. You can see if you look out the section called related topics, you will find the stack. That is, we are going to use an stack that is going to solve this problem efficiently. Okay, so let's look out for the problem. Given a string path, which is an absolute path starting with the forward slash to a file or directory in a Unix style file system. Okay, so we would be having a path in a Unix style file system that is going to be start with a forward slash, and that is called an absolute path, and we need to convert it to a simplified canonical path. Okay, so there are a few of the things that you need to know, that is what is an absolute path and what are the contents that is being filled in the absolute path as well as the canonical path. So so in a Unix style file system, a period dot refers to the current directory and a double period refers to the directory upper level, that is, you can say a previous level, like going to a previous directory also if there exists. Any multiple consecutive slashes are treated as single slash. Now for this problem, any other format of periods such as triple dot are going to be treated as file slash directory names. Now let's understand the canonical path. Okay, so a path is said to be a canonical path if it starts with a forward slash. Note that it is only a single forward slash, and any two directories are separated by single forward slash, and the path, that is the canonical path, is not going to end with a trailing forward slash, and the path is not going to contain any dot or double dot, that is single period or double period, and we need to return the simplified canonical path. Okay, so let's first understand what is this absolute path and canonical path in detail. Okay, so let me write on absolute path. So this path must start with a forward slash, as well as this path must end with a forward, you can say forward slash. If I'm not wrong, it must end with no, it is not necessary. If you look out my console, if I will try to remove this forward slash and then run this code, I hope this test case is valid. So it means that you can say it means that this forward slash ending of in case of absolute path is not necessary. That is, the path may or may not end with forward slash. Okay, and it may contain a double forward slash, and if it may contain a dot, it may contain a double dot. It is actually a period or double period. For this case, it means that going to a previous directory, and for the single dot, single period, it refers to a current directory. Okay, so this is the case for a absolute path. So let's talk about the canonical path. Okay, canonical path. So in case of canonical path, you can see it consists of only a forward slash, like it also starts with a forward slash, and every you can see every file name or directory name is going to be separated with a forward slash, as well as there is no period or no double dots. Okay, and path is not going to end with a forward slash. Okay, so you need to take care for all that. So let's take an example and understand how we can convert this entire absolute path into a canonical path. So I'm going to take this one example. So that is a good one, home slash Sunny, which is my name, and then we have a double dot, and then we have a double forward slash, and then we have a Sumit. Okay, now it says that we are going to have home, then go to Sunny, and then go to one step back, that is over here. So this Sunny will be deleted, then go to Sumit, right? This is actually the absolute path, but we need to return this canonical path. Okay, so how we are going to do that efficiently is nothing but we are going to extract down the file names, like extract out the string that is present between two consecutive forward slash, that is this one, as well as this one and this one. So you can see my strings are home, then it comes Sunny, and then it comes double dot. Now whenever we encounter a double dot, we need to extract down this string and throw it out. So you can see when we extract it out, my set of strings would become only home, and this is utilized and this is also utilized. Now next comes is Sumit. So home and Sumit is our final string. Okay, so if you convert this set of strings your canonical path, you must start with a forward slash, then write down home, then write down a forward slash, then write down Sumit. So this is the thing that you need to do. So let me explain all these things in detail in the coding part also, because nothing is going to explain over there. Only thing is about the implementation, how you're going to implement all that efficiently. Okay, so let's look out my implementation. Okay, so it would be better if you look out directly this one because of this UI. Yeah. Okay, so what I've done is like I've taken a string that is going to store the string that is present between two forward slash, and this vector of strings that is going to store the canonical path up to the current point. Like whenever you will face a double dot, you need to pop out the last element of this set of strings that is being stored in this vector st. Right now you can see I have pushed back this forward slash at the last position of this path, because to avoid the writing lot of cases, because suppose you have this string, let's say slash home slash sunny. Okay, so you have two you have two forward slash and you can extract this string easily. And last you can see there doesn't exist any forward slash over these two positions, so you need to write down an extra case for that. So for avoiding that a lot of code work, I will append this forward slash right over here, and this will be extracted easily, right? So that is the use of this statement. Now I will iterate over the paths, and whenever you will encounter a forward slash, you have already a string stored in this s, like a string s that is between two forward slash, between these two, any two forward slashes, and that substring is being extracted and being stored in the string s. Right now if s is empty, you are not going to do anything. Now if s is double dot and this st is non-empty, it means that there is some file name or directory name in this string st, like set of strings st, and s is a double dot. You need to pop out that, that is you need to go to a previous directory, right? So you will stack dot pop, so st dot pop basically. Now again, if these two conditions fail, you need to check it out. If it is not a dot and not a double dot, right, then you will push back that string s into a set of strings that you are going to work upon. Okay, so you will just push back that string s into this vector of strings that can be a any file name like home, sunny, sumit, right? And if you are done with that, you need to clear this string s for extracting the next substring between two forward slash. And if you are still working upon any letter or any digits, then you are going to push back this character into this temporary string s that is actually storing any substring between two forward slash. Okay, now when you are done with that, in this set of strings you have the all the file names or directory names going to the destination position, starting from the source position, like in a sequence manner. Now you need to convert this into a canonical path. So you will pick out this one of the file name or directory name and first put out a forward slash, then you will append that file name or directory name. Now if all those goes well and you have still a answer as empty, you need to only insert this only forward slash and finally return the answer. So let me just show out how this all going to happen through this example. Okay, now s is initially empty. Okay, s is empty. Now when you encounter this forward slash, you can see this condition will be invoked. If s is empty, you can see yes, string is empty, so this will be like entire statement will be skipped. Now when you come to this home h, that is the character h, you can see this condition will be like the program program will go to this else part and it will push back this h. Okay, now again o m e, each time going to this else part, because c is not a forward slash, then it goes to that. Now whenever you will encounter this forward slash, you can see you have this s being stored over here, that is the substring between two forward slash. Then you will compare this one, s is a double dot and it is not empty, if s is not a single dot, not a period, not a double dot, then you will push back this one. You can see this condition will be invoked in this case. Okay, so you will be storing this home in this vector of strings. Okay, again this Sunny, the same case, but when you encounter this double dot, you can see this condition will be invoked and this Sunny will be popped out. So vector of strings will contain only home. Then again you will get Sumit, you will write down Sumit over here, and when you convert this one to canonical path, you will write down slash home, then you will write down slash Sumit. So this will be our answer. Okay, so you can see all the test cases will be passed. And yeah, if you guys have still any doubts, you can reach out to us through the comment section of the video, and thank you for watching this video.